how to fix app not installed problem on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix app not installed problem on Android. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Ensure that your APK or app you are trying to install is compatible with your Android version. To check that, you have to go to the settings. Once you access the settings page, scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Tap About Device. Now select Android version. And once you check it, you have to compare it with the app's requirements. Download an APK or install an app that is compatible with your Android version. Once you do that, the second step to follow is simply you have to free up storage space. Lack of storage space can prevent apps from being installed. Simply open Settings. Now select About Device. Tap Storage. And here you need to make sure that you clear up space by deleting unused apps, large files or cache. And then try installing the app again. If the issue resolved from this process, you don't need to follow other steps. Otherwise, what you need to do is simply you can use the different APK sources. If you are using an APK, it's possible that the file is corrupted or incomplete. You can download the APK from trusted sources. And then lastly, you can reboot your device. A simple restart can resolve various installation related issues. Simply press and hold the power button on your device. Then you have to select the restart button and after rebooting, try installing the app again. This will help us fix different kinds of issues relating to app not installed on Android. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.